everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today for another video tutorial. Today we are going to make a cute little card using the Storybook Friends stamp set. And then we're not using the dies today, but we are using the designer paper. So I've had a couple packs of this, but two of the pages have all these sweet little die cut images. We have all kinds of characters. There's gardening items in here, and because they're a little loose on the page, I just punch them all out and then put them in a little bag to put in with the cardstock. Okay, so let us get going. Just a reminder, we have celebration going on right now, so you get free items with every $60 you spend. So make sure to use the host code below, and then you'll get some goodies in the mail from me as well. Okay, now this card could be used for either Easter or baby. I'm going to do it as a baby card today. I did get a swap kind of similar to this, and I can't remember who I got it from, but it was super, super cute. I know I use that a lot, but I changed out some of the papers and the colors and stuff to make a little more like a cute little baby card. And this is neutral, so it could be for boy or girl. There's lots of characters in there. I'm doing a little girl bunny today, but we have like little boy bunnies and chipmunks and all kinds of things. Okay, so I have this large white, and this is going to go on the inside because it's kind of a dark color here. We're going to just glue that to the inside of the card. All right, make sure that's down good. Then for the front, I'm using, this is, I'm going to think of the name of it soon. I can't think of the name of the color. We have the colors, hold on. Summer, I want to say summer starfruit, and that's wrong. Wild wheat, that's it. Wild wheat pecan pie. Okay, so I've chosen to use this paper that has all the little characters on it, since we're using all the characters. And I'm going to glue this over on the right side of that. And then I wanted the wild wheat to match the card base. This is the one, this has gardening on one side, but we're using the wild wheat little pattern on the other side because we just need a little coordinating, contrasting color there. And then we're going to glue this to the front. This is a super easy card to do. And this card works with a multitude of stamp sets, this layout. Whoops. Well, I just moved that right over when I pushed that down. Gotta be careful with that liquid glue. It gives you a minute to move things. So you don't want it moving if that's not where you're going. Okay, now I used the Greetings of the Season dies. These were on last chance list. I'm not sure if they still are. They may be sold out. I don't know. It's always a risk now that we, instead of things retiring, they just get put on the last chance list, and when they're gone, and you know, who knows when that's going to happen. All right, so I'm going to center this right here on my little gap. And then I have a little lemon lolly tag, and I die cut this from the Nested Essential dies. It has several sizes of the different shapes in there. And I'm just going to stamp Welcome Little One out of the stamp set using the pecan pie ink. That's so sweet. And then we're going to pop up our bunny. We'll put 3 on there. And then we're going to pop up our little tag there too. my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm going to put just a little bit of glue right there. And then we're going to overlap. I'm going to cover that bunny's face, but that's unfortunately the way it has to be today. All right, and then we're going to tie a bow with this yellow ribbon. This is in the January to what is it? January to April, the JA catalog. I just wrote JJ on everything. I just wrote some instructions that I put as a catalog. Instead of January to April, I just put JJ for January to June. Who knows? It is not until June. Okay, so I've tied a little bow. I'm going to trim off some of those ends. Those are a bit long. Okay, and we're going to use a glue dot to attach that. Let me grab a glue dot. Oh, what happened to all my glue dots? All right, I'll have to use one of my leftover, I like that side better. My leftover paper pumpkin glue dots, because I think I stuck all my glue dots in projects. So we'll peel this off. It's always good because you always have a ton of these left over. We're going to put that right over the hole. And then I have these sweet little antique pearls that are in the suite. And I'm going to do a large and a small. I'm just going to add this right there for a little bit of fancy bling. And that's it. That's what we have. Just use any baby stamp set that you have inside. You could also do a Happy Easter or Happy Spring. This card would be good for any of those. Super cute. All right. Thanks for stopping by today. I will post measurements and supplies on my blog. And I would love to have your order. And I will see you next time. All right. Bye-bye.